Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here three different compounds are given. First one is orthodichlorobenzene, second one is metadichlorobenzene, third one is paradichlorobenzene. You have to find the number of C13 NMR signal the compound can produce. Basically, the compound 1 produce 3, 2 produce 4, 3 produce 2. Why the question is important? Because based on the number of signal itself, we can identify ortho, meta and para without any need of detailed analysis. Let us analyze why it produces it. Normally in NMR, the compound is more symmetrical, means it produces less number of signal. So you have to analyze the symmetry element present inside the molecule. If you look at the 1, 2, 3, the 1 has mirror plane, so it has 3 signal A, B, C. If you look at the second one, it has 4 signal A, B, C, D. So if you look at the compound 3, it has 2 signal because more symmetrical. It has 2 mirror plane of symmetry. So the signals will be 3, 4, 2. Here the concept you have to learn here is the compound is more symmetrical means you have less number of signal. Less symmetrical means more number of signal. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.